The Philippines in the 1940s. Life After the War. Part 15. The Old Manila City Hall, September 1945. Driving past the Colegio de San Juan de Letran ruins, 1945. España Street just after the war. At Malacañang Palace, 1945. At the Philippine National Post Office, August 1946. Baguio City, 5 months after the war. The Manila Hotel, 1947. At Quiapo post-war. Post-war market. The ruins of the Legislative Building, January 1947. The Rizal Park after the fighting. Vasig School, Manzalay, Oriental Mindoro, post-war. Mrs. Aurora Quezon at the Blessing of the College Building, 1947. Right wing of main building, Philippine General Hospital, prior to reconstruction, 1949. The Treaty of Manila was signed, July 4, 1946. Pateros, celebrating the first-year anniversary since the liberation of the village from Japanese occupation, 1946. Soldiers in front of the Manila Post Office, 1946. Santo Tomas University Co-eds, 1946. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.